So this video is going to be makeup products that I bought during Black Friday, Cyber Monday for my makeup kit and for myself. So first we're gonna start on Amazon. I got these pop-up trash cans. So that way when I'm working, I have a little place to put trash, which I love. I've seen like little makeup artists have these like mini trash bags, like mini trash cans. So I got a set of these that I can use for when I become a professional makeup artist. So I have those trash cans. I bought some Paw sponges. If you're spending $20 on a sponge, what are you doing? So I got these from Amazon. I mean, they really were on sale. Like, I feel like Black Friday sales and Cyber Monday sales are not really sales anymore. They're like normal sales. You know what I'm saying? They're not crazy sales like we used to see back when I was growing up. And then I got this hand mirror. How cute. Very millennial. Yeah, very millennial with the rose gold. But it's a mirror, so that way my clientele can see themselves without having to get up and look in the mirror. So I got that for my kit as well. And then now this is gonna be all the fun makeup stuff that I bought. So I first bought some things from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty was having a huge sale, and I got her pound cake powder. If you know, you know. I kind of wanted a powder where I have cherry blossom, I have sugar cookie. Yeah, sugar cookie. But I wanted pound cake for my kit because it's more skin tone like, and yeah, Huda Beauty setting powder is so good. It's like $40 originally. I want to say I got it for like 28 or something. 28 or 22. So I got that for my kit. And then I got the shade Wifey. This is a liquid lipstick. I'm not going to swatch it because this is going in my kit and I want to keep it clean. But this is like a nude pink shade. And I saw a lot of makeup artists on TikTok using this shade, and I was like, Wifey, how cute is that name? So this is like a really nice bridal shade. So I got this on sale. I'm not sure how much it was, but it was on sale. And I heard the formula is great. I heard they're long lasting. I really only owned one shade of this a long time ago. And I got it in like an Ipsy box and I didn't really like the shade. It was like shade trendsetter. It was too dark for me. But I'm really excited about this. Yeah, I think too this would be good for bridesmaids. I personally like a pinker shade. Like a shade I'm about to show you with my other products I bought. I like that for brides. But I thought this would be really good for like bridesmaids, you know? And then I got a lip gloss. I already have, I think it's a shade Honey, which is the more orangey nude shade, but I got this baby pink one because I really, really love the Fox Filler lip glosses by Huda Beauty. And this is in the shade Sugar Baby. It's a really nice pale pink shade. If you know me, you know baby pink lips are my favorite. And yeah, so this is going in my kit, so I'm not swatching it or anything like that. I want to keep it nice and clean. And it's a really pretty shade. I honestly thought it was going to look more baby pink, but I mean, it's a good shade. It's a really nice your lip shade but better gloss. And I've been watching so many tutorials, people using this shade on Instagram and TikTok, and I'm just like, I need that for my kit. So I want to say I got these 3 products for like 40 or 50 bucks, which is crazy, because I think this powder alone is like 40. So that is my Huda Beauty haul. And then Anastasia Beverly Hills. If you know, you know, you watch my channel. I love her eyeshadow palettes. I love her foundation she just came up with. It's the Impeccable foundation. I have a few like videos using that because it's just so good. Yeah, so I bought some things from, where did I get this stuff? Amazon, Sephora. Where did I get this from? I want to say Amazon and her website, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, I'm like blanking out because I've made so many orders. But Kiss. Kiss is like my favorite liquid lip shade. I have one for myself. Mine actually came cracked, which is sad. But this one's for my kit. It is the most perfect shade. I have plenty of like YouTube shorts using this. Yeah, it's like the perfect bridal pink shade. So I got this for my kit, and plus this formula is just perfection. I was obsessed with Pure Hollywood in college. Love her liquid lip formula. This one is better. It's not as drying. And Kiss is just the perfect pink shade. So really excited to have that in my kit. That is the bridal pink that I think I want to use on brides. Then I got this from Sephora and during their sale. And this is the Magic Touch Blush Trio. I mean, ugh, these shades are stunning. I wish I could use this on myself, but I got this and I said this is for my kit because look how perfect. So you would use a spoolie and you would scoop it out, put it on a palette, and then use it to keep it nice and sanitary. And I just love these shades. They're the perfect pink shades. Love. So I'm really excited to use these. The packaging is perfect as ever. And really excited to have this in my kit. And it's just the shade pink. That's the Magic Touch Blush Trio. So that's going in my kit. And I just truly love everything by Anastasia Beverly Hills, like everything. Her lip liners, people talked about them, and I was like, ugh, I don't know. Her lip liners, like I have so many drugstore lip liners that are so good. And then I tried her mocha lip liner. Her formula is phenomenal. I need to get more. So yeah, my kit's pretty much going to be Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is her bronzer. I heard really great things about her bronzer. Packaging is so cute. I have the highlighter, a 3.0 highlighter, which is like the same packaging. It's heavy. I mean, this isn't ideal if you're a makeup artist because it's heavy and bulky, but I have this shade, Warm Sand Vibes. I have not used it yet. I think it's clean because this is for my kit. I've actually never used this. Like, I need to use this, obviously, to try it out. But my friend's actually coming this weekend. I'm going to do her makeup. But this is going in my kit. I honestly probably need more shades. I got this on sale. I want to say it was like $28. Super excited about that. I've heard amazing things about her bronzers. And I love watching little videos of people using it because it looks like it's just the best. And then if you know Michaela on TikTok, she was obsessed with these Anastasia Beverly Hills concealers. So this is the Magic Touch Concealer. I got the shade 6 and shade 4. And they're supposed to be full coverage, great concealers. Let's see, 6 and 4. So I got 2 of these because I want something that's like full coverage. And I don't even know what this looks like on the inside. I have not used it yet. Like I said, my friend's coming this weekend, so I'm going to use these things on her. I don't want to dirty anything up. Packaging, super cute. So I'm really excited to use these, shade 6 and shade 4, because you can always mix shades and get the perfect shade. Because sometimes you don't have to buy every single shade because you can just mix things. And then I got the translucent powder. So I don't know if I've ever tried it, but it was like 20 bucks or something, and it's huge. And so yeah, I have the Huda Beauty powder, but I also have this. So yeah, hopefully this is good. I don't know why. I feel like I've heard mixed things about it, but again, can she do anything wrong on Anastasia Beverly Hills? I don't know. So there's that. And then I got this lip liner on Amazon. This is ColourPop in the shade BFF. There was a makeup artist on TikTok who said that like ColourPop was her favorite lip liners, and I agree. I've had a couple, but this is like a really pretty, like, you know, a nice bridal lip liner or a nice bridesmaid's lip liner. It's in the shade BFF, and yeah, I'm excited to add this to my kit. And is that everything? Did I buy anything else? Oh yeah. And then I got this palette from Amazon because I want to start to depot things. And the heck is on the back of that? I do not know. Because I want to start depotting things and putting like a blush palette. It's just super easy. You can see all your shades right there. And I love my Jason Wu blushes, and I would really like to depot those and put them in here. And yeah, I love watching videos of makeup artists who have their kit and everything's like super organized and labeled. It just makes me so happy. So that's like the dream, that's the goal. And then I got one of these little fans for when you do the setting spray. Like, I know. When people have these, I'm like, so extra. But then like when my friend said she had one, and then I was like doing my friend's makeup and I was like waiting for her setting spray to set, and I was like, you know what, I think I need one because it is kind of like therapeutic. So I got one of those, and it charges, no batteries, which is kind of nice. So let's talk about what I ordered that hasn't come yet. All right, so I only ordered 2 things from Amazon that haven't come yet, and the first thing I'm going to show you is the Stila highlighter. So I watched someone use this highlighter in one of their bridal tutorials, and it's like, makes your skin look wet. I went and saw it in person. I was like in love. Like, here's a little picture of what it does to the cheek. I went and saw it in person like several times, and I talked myself out of it because I'm like, I don't need it. And then it's on sale for like $20, and I was like, yes, I need that for my kit. I need a really good last skin type product. And then I got White Russian by Buxom. Like, I've looked at it in stores, talked myself out of it, but I'm like, okay, Buxom White Russian. Like, everyone talks about this shade. A lot of makeup artists love this shade. It's that pretty baby pink shade, which, I mean, I need to have different shades in my kit because obviously I have the Huda Beauty one I just bought. I'm just like buying the same thing, but this one's plumping. It's pretty, yeah. And then let's go talk. I totally forgot how this order from Sephora coming. I got a gift card for my birthday, so I was like, I want to pick up some of those like gift, you know, the seasonal gift things. And so I got the Lawless gift set. It comes with the lip gloss and the blush. And the lip gloss is in this shade, I want to say it's rosy beige. Yes, or no, blush sand. So the Lawless lip gloss is blush sand, and the blush is angel. And I just think these are so cute. I love Lawless lip glosses. They're so stinking good, and it comes with the blush. So I'm like, might as well. And it was on sale when I got it. It's gonna show me what I paid for it. It was like 20 bucks, $22 or something for 2 products, full size. So, and then I got the Too Faced, you know, their Cloud blush. What shade is it? Candy Clouds, I think. I'm like making up my own shades here. Okay, what is that shade? Candy Clouds. Okay, so Candy Clouds blush, and then Pink Sherbet lip oil. I don't care about the lip oil, but everybody had the same sale with the blush, and it was only a couple dollars more from Sephora, and you got the lip oil, so I was like, might as well. And I had a gift card. So I got those 2 for like 50 something dollars with tax, and it's 4 full-size products. So super excited for those to come. But that's all I got because I'm really like, I'm just starting out on my makeup journey. So I really cannot spend hundreds of dollars on products, especially when I work full time and I'm not even doing this like, I'm not even doing it, I'm not even doing it as a job yet. I'm just doing it for fun. So yeah, and so those are all the products that I bought on Black Friday, Cyber Monday with all the sales happening. And be sure to comment below and let me know what you got, or if you have any of these products and if you like them or have any recommendations. So be sure to comment, subscribe, like, and I will see you in my next video.